a deck with one wall. You want to go first?
Yeah.
Alright. Is it going?
Yeah,
Okay.
he's going.
What's up, guys? Coming to a match between Greninja and my Mega Manectric Toolbox. Hopefully this will be entertaining for you and less donks than normal. And I will have a link in the description to both of the profiles for these decks, so you can check them out afterwards if you're interested. Alright, ready to start?
Ooh, Bomer, low battery mode.
Well, it'll still be at 20%. Yeah, we'll be fine. Cut to 5 minutes from now when we're not fine. So, Gio, after watching both the deck profiles, what do you feel has the advantage in this matchup?
It's honestly might be a tough call just because Dillon's deck is built really unusual. It's one of those unusual builds, and your deck is really, I think Greninja is kind of one of its bad matchups.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a really interesting match to watch. But Dillon didn't start out too well with the Rim Raid start.
Drop turn. I'll play a turn spell. Take a Bow Compressor and play it. I'll send 2 Lightning Arrow into the discard and 1 Professor Signal.
You going back in?
Nah, go ahead, cut. Attach 1 Water Energy for turn. And then I will change, draw 2. Appreciate your deck. I'll play in. Triple VS Seeker, not much choice. I mean, at least they are shiny. I'll take that.
Our roll wasn't almost that much better.
I will Ultra Ball for a Hoopa EX. Play a Skyfield and play Hoopa and use its ability. Search out 3 Pokemon EX. Got a Manectric, a Shaman, and a Mega Manectric.
It was a great. It was entertaining. So, therefore, it was great because I was laughing. There you go. Yeah, you saw it. No, they didn't.
Shaman to draw 3. Pass turn to you.
What's your answer?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All your juju, all my juju. Right. And then you touched them, Mitchell. You gave
those are pretty big.
I just heard group rip someplace. What I just heard. Yeah.
Ooh, evolves into Auxiliary as you're active.
I used to live on the street. Wait, when did Burger King close? Oh, no, Burger King closed. McDonald's. You know why? It's cheaper to destroy. So apparently we're not going. We're not going home.
What just happened?
I don't know. I think the power kind of almost went out.
Alright then. That's terrifying.
That's scary.
Isn't that like the sign of a monster in an apocalypse movie? Like, it's like first the power shakes, then Godzilla steps through.
Yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, I would say yes.
Jesus, this is not good. We'll both have to do.
Okay.
Good.
Draw for turn. Okay, deck, appreciate it. Touch a fighting Fury Belt.
Yep.
And then I will in. You're welcome.
That was very bad. Finally got to use the card, but in the wrong place.
Yeah. What I thought you should have done is tap energy there to the Remoraid, retreated it. You could have promoted that Frogadier, evolved here, and would have been able to ward duplicates.
You're right. Jesus.
It's a very good attack.
Same hand, Lucas. What are you doing to me?
I'm believing. I will Ultra Ball for a third Shaman. Effect to draw 3. Transspell. I got an in. You know what's really cool? Spirit Links. Those are pretty cool. Mega Evolve to end turn. Okay. I'll wait for a second for our video. Oh, I need to show you a build of Greninja I came up with using some of the new support. I don't think it'll be as good as the current builds, but I think it'd actually be really fun.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll kill you for one.
So we go nowhere.
Oh my god. Come on.
Turn.
Where are my energies?
Yes, please. Attach a Float Stone to Hoopa. Float Stone to Shaman. Mega Turbo. And VS Seeker Sycamore. My deck upside down. Okay.
I think they're in a really good place right now.
Play a Manectric to my bench. This time I get the Spirit Link. Appreciate it. 2 mil. I'll fail it. Play draw turn to my bench. Attach water energy, and I will second bite for 30 damage.
Yeah, it was actually this way I popped in. It was going to pick up
Yeah.
because I needed something to paint him. Because I'm really excited to do legions. I have almost none of it painted, so it's going to be just. They get separated by the cops. It is possible.
Deck, please.
Separated by the cops.
Deck, please. Resolve 3 Shane. Still don't get a DC. Appreciate it.
I might not be happy with myself. Damn. It wasn't even good food. Oh, put it away! No! Like, you know those party balloons that come out for? Now I got like you step on it, it doesn't pop. That's
Down to my gotta risk it.
No fear. Judge. Appreciate it. I had 2 Skyfield in hand.
Let's back this up. So now this season just kind of right. So where are we going? Taco Bee. I heard Taco Bee. That's close.
That's pretty good.
Anything else?
We'll both land for 1,
Okay.
and then we'll.
I'm assuming that's something else.
Shadow Stitching.
Shadow stitching? Yeah. There we go.
Yes! That was the game. All we gotta do was follow the goddamn drinks.
They sound excited.
I'm gonna go now. I hated that race. I just want to go get some. You would have never shot. That was the problem. Done, yo. It was all rain. You know that, right? Exactly. I broke into bad.
I'll Crystal Ray for 80 damage.
I love that game. I still love that. Play it all the time. I finally 100% that game, and I don't like the game. I love that game. The map was so good. God, who's driving?
Same hand.
Exact same
It's the same
hand.
hand from the last judge.
Yeah, the exact same hand.
Never felt that.
Sad days.
Yeah.
Jeez, what do you have prized?
Everything.
Apparently.
So Bill signed for 2. Moonlight Slash.
Does no damage. I use Crystal Ray.
Oh shit! No. It wasn't out loud. Oh snaps!
Agreed. You're really concerned with the status of your bed sheet right now.
Yeah, good.
Ultra Ball. Got a Trubbish. No, that was a mistake on my part. I'm sorry. I only had 2 energy on the Glaceon when I attacked. I could only use the second bite attack. So that was 30 damage, and you could Moonlight Slash there for the knockout. Not bad.
Chill.
Yeah.
Still got a
You take 2 prizes.
pretty bad card. Oh, that's better. Gucci. Beefy.
I will attach a DCE and Turbo Bolt for 110. Chain Lightning, Maybe Water, to a Manectric. Here we go.
Please something. Kind of a bad play.
Is that your discard pile?
Mhm.
Okay. Excuse me.
It's not looking good.
This is the one matchup where I'm sad that I don't run multiple Glaceon, but it's still like in most matchups you play with, it's a dead card.
That card's bad now.
Sycamore? Yeah. What are we dealing with? That's not pretty. What were the 2 you took out of there?
The Froakie and like that.
Oh, really? That's not pretty. Team out. Do you keep placing my deck upside down? Oh, that's kind of broken. Hey, so remember that time when you had abilities? Mm-hmm. That was cool. Turbo for the knockout. It's a pretty good card. Hex.
Just get rid of it.
Okay. You get rid of my ability to ability lock by ability locking me. Okay, that literally changed nothing. That had no impact on the game whatsoever. Touch a DC, touch Ultion, and Turbo for the knockout.
I see a pro play coming.
I doubt it. I don't have targets. Card.
Playing
Lysander.
You like Frisbee.
Turbo for the knockout. Just go. Mega. Turbo for the knockout. Game. Lightning and Toad. Alright, well, that's our game. As you guys can all see, Garbodor is a brutal card against Greninja. I highly recommend that if you guys are having issues with the deck, try playing this card in it. I think it's also just a really solid card for this upcoming format. So, thank you very much for watching, and be sure to catch us in the next video.